Will fall back an hour, and those clocks are not the only thing you should be checking. Daylight savings time is always a good reminder to replace your batteries and your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. It can be the difference in saving your home or family in case of a fire or gas leak. Daylight saving time begins overnight Saturday, Sunday morning at 2 a.m. All right, turning now to your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast. Chief Meteorologist Tony Petracca is in the Weather Center, and we had another sort of outdoor dining day today. I mean, I can't believe it.
Beautiful. And Hart, you had mentioned about changing the clocks. I want to let you in on a little secret, but don't tell anybody, okay?
Okay.
On the dashboard, the clock in the car, I haven't changed it since last spring.
You haven't changed
because I couldn't figure it out. So come this weekend, I'll be all set again.
It'll be back to normal.
There you go. Boom.
Amazing.
Right. Take a look outside. I just admitted that. Clear skies. North Kingstown, just beautiful. Sunshine today. And, you know, the chilly start this morning, starting off in the upper 30s and still recovering into the middle 60s. So here we are. And this is very typical during the autumn, where you can get this kind of a chill at sunrise, and then it transitions over to this. This is running a bit above average. The average high is 59, but the trend is going to be even warmer starting Friday afternoon and especially the weekend and even into Monday of next week. Meanwhile, no major storms. I don't see a drop of rain next 5 to 7 days. These temperatures running above average. Near record highs potentially over the weekend with readings in the 70s. It does cool down next week, but not until next Tuesday and Wednesday. So this white line right in here, this represents the average high, which is 58 degrees. We're up to about 70 tomorrow afternoon, low to mid 70s Saturday, Sunday, and into Monday. And then there's the reality check by Tuesday and Wednesday. Temperatures will be more seasonable. So the records to beat over the weekend: 75 set back in 1994. And just recently for Sunday, the record is 72. And that was just a couple of years ago. And we'll come close to that. In the meantime, skies are clear all across New England, back through the Midwest and the Great Lakes. I mean, there's nothing approaching over the next several days as far as storms or precipitation. So let's walk you through it hour by hour, starting off this evening. And overnight, naturally, it's cool later tonight. Perhaps not as cold or as chilly as last night. Now, one thing to take note, as we get closer to 5, 6, 7 o'clock in the morning, there'll be some patchy fog. This will not last long. I'm thinking by 9 o'clock in the morning, it's gone. Sunshine, rapid warm up. We're talking upper 60s to lower 70s. A beautiful day. Tomorrow evening at 5 o'clock. Well, about a half hour from sunset, still holding on to sunshine, temperatures in the mid 60s. And your Friday evening, I mean, for November, I wouldn't call it cool, but rather mild. 11 o'clock Friday night is still in the upper 50s. Very comfortable for the high school football games on Friday evening. So for tomorrow morning, looking good. A little fog, though, early, maybe locally dense around sunrise. Be mindful of that, but it burns off rapidly. 11 a.m. It's jumped up to 64, and then during the afternoon hours, 10 to 12 degrees above average, briefly getting up to 70 during the early afternoon with mainly sunny skies. Bay forecast, so looking at that breeze out of the southwest at 5 to 10. Visibility for the most part is unlimited, just reduced in some fog at sunrise. But once you get beyond, say, 8, 9 o'clock in the morning, the visibility is coming up. So beautiful stretch of weather through the weekend. And you can see these temperatures Saturday and Sunday in the lower 70s. Even Monday is unseasonably warm at 74. And then we're back to autumn by Tuesday and Wednesday of next week with daytime highs in the upper 50s to around 60. And again, don't forget to fall back before bed late Saturday night.